that is something that I really wanted to promote for everyone, to always believe in yourself and your capabilities as a person.
Another question for Mark, our second runner up in Pilipinas. What keeps you motivated to join the national pageants or any kind of pageants?
The only thing that keeps me motivated are the negative criticism of the people. Most of the people nowadays are really in favor of me joining male pageants because maybe of my sexual orientation or maybe because of my stance in life. But regardless of those negative opinions, I always take that as a strength for me to prove them that it's okay if you want to judge me because that is your right. But it's never okay to disrespect or degrade someone because that will not make you human, but rather will make you less person. So I really wanted that just to prove to everyone that even if we conquer or we face different negative opinions or judgment to the people around us, we can always provide them with respect. Also, they can also learn how to respect towards one another. So that is something that I could consider as one of the challenges why I still continue to join a pageant like this.
And to our grand winner, of course, who motivated you to or encouraged you to join this competition?
So, the persons that encouraged me to join this pageant is all the Boholanos. Because Boholanos are really warm, we are really hospitable, and I want the Philippines to know that all the Filipinos are welcome to go there and to visit our Bohol and experience our beauty, natural wonders.
And to our first runner-up, of course, what's your plan after this?
Probably first thing I would remove my contact lens, it's burning na. Pero kidding aside, I just have so many things to do because, as an artist, the first thing I would do is again spread the word, spread our culture, spread the beauty of the Philippines via my artistry. I will spread my word and spread our gratefulness, especially for our winner, through my art. So yeah.
Message niyo to all your supporters.
So, to all of my supporters, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart because I wouldn't be here if not for you guys. So, thank you so much.
So magpasalamat ng taos puso sa lahat ng tao na naniniwala sa akin mula sa kauna-unang araw ng join ako ng iba't ibang klaseng pageant. Dahil sa inyo nagkaroon ako ng malakas na determinasyon sa buhay na to never stop of dreaming and achieving my goals in life. You are the fuel of my determination and passion in life. Those people who are always there for me, I would like to thank you so very, very much. So thank you so much po.
Congratulations. So I also want to thank all my family, my friends. I can't really name them all one by one, but they're here, especially my mom, all of my friends. It's very difficult to name all of them. And last but not least, I really want to honor this to my late father. I know he's very proud of me up in heaven. So thank you.
One last message na lang. Final message or encouragement message to all the aspiring who wants also to join Pilipinas in the next election.
So, for all those aspiring who want to join Pilipinas, don't hesitate and train yourself now. So, because if the time is right, it will be yours.
Thank you so much, guys. Congratulations.